Hey everyone, Sam Tejada, president and founder of Liquivida. Today we're going to talk about a few safety tips. If you're a vitamin IV infusion customer of any company, not just Liquivida, of any company, we're going to talk about some safety tips that you should know and look out for when you get some vitamin IV drips. So first thing first, here at Liquivida, we take a lot of pride in our compliance of making sure that we have the best quality product, making sure that we're doing it safe for our patients. Part of that is making sure we have our hood system. So our IVs, when we put them together, we actually do it in here, inside of the hood system. So as you can hear it, the hood system, what it does, it has positive pressure ventilation, which it goes through the top, inside to the hood system. It goes through a HEPA filter. This is an ISO 500 hood system. And what it does, it pushes the air out, so the air that goes into the hood system while you're mixing your IV bags is actually filtered and free from any kind of bacteria, anything else that could be in the air that you and I are typically breathing, coughing, sneezing in the air that's out here. All right. We also have our medical grade refrigerator. Very important wherever you go to get IVs, that they're storing the product properly. If they're using the typical refrigerator that you see, Coca-Colas or any kind of other beverages, not the right refrigerator. This is medical grade. These are utilized in the hospitals, labs. This is where your product should maintain. Alongside with that, when we talk about our product, we have our Liquivida IV packets. These packets, everything's pre-measured, pre-dosed. It's 1 packet per patient. When you look at our IV packets, the vials in there are single dose, meaning that they're preservative free. When you go to places that are making multiple IV bags off of 1 vial, that is not the safest way. Those things are full of preservatives. What we like to do is keep those preservatives out of our patient's body. All right, so as you can see, everything is preservative free here. It's single dose. It's just for 1 patient, so there's no preservatives in here. Even our glutathione is a single dose. It's a preservative free vial. All right, so those are our IV packets. Always make sure that you're getting quality product wherever you go. Moving on, our IV kits. All of our IV drips come packaged with all the best quality product in it. Even the gloves inside of our IV start kit are kept sterile. Your typical gloves that are inside of a box, those are not considered sterile. Those are non-sterile. These are sterile. We utilize what's called a dispensing needle. So this dispensing needle, I'll actually open one up for you so you can take a look and see what it is. So in the medical field, a lot of the times what people do to extract the air out of a vial, they go ahead and grab a vial, fill up the syringe with air, they inject air into the vial, and then it helps extract the solution from the vial. So not good, because that air that's out here is full of the germs that we're talking, coughing, sneezing in. So this dispensing needle that I just pulled out here has what's called a micron filter, right? So once we connect to this vial here and extract the solution, all of the air that goes in the vial goes through the micron filter, keeping the sterility of the product intact. All right, so very important. A lot of people out there try to cut corners. Here at Liquivida, we don't cut corners. Another thing that we have is our IV drip sets, right? The IV tubing. These IV tubings, very important. If you look over here, there's a little white part at the end of the chamber. That is a micron filter, right? So a micron filter will filter out 99% of bacteria that can potentially go into the bag when it's put together, all right? There's also sometimes the potential particulates to go into the bag. That micron filter will filter it out, giving us the best quality product out there when it comes to IV therapy. Very important. These things could be very dangerous to your life if not done right. If you're getting IVs anywhere, Liquivida or any of the other IV places out there, make sure that they have all of these things in place. Very important. All right, we'll talk next time.